In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get out of big picture mode on Steam. Whether you're completely new to Steam or just looking to streamline your experience, I'm here to make this as straightforward as possible. So let's get started. First, what you want to do is open your Steam application. If you've already got it installed, you can simply click the icon on your desktop or find it in your list of programs. Once you've got Steam up and running, you'll need to ensure you're signed into your account. So if you aren't already logged in, go ahead and click on the login button. It's right there on the main screen. Next, when prompted, enter your account name and password and then click on the sign in button. Now if you face any issues with your credentials or you've forgotten them, make sure to check the option to recover your account. Done with signing in? Great, you should now be on the Steam homepage. Have a quick look around to ensure everything's in order. Next, at the very top of the page, you'll see a menu bar. What you want to look for is the view option. Once you find it, click on it. This will open a drop down menu with a few selections to choose from. From the options provided, you need to select big picture mode. When you click on it, you will be directed into big picture mode, which is a more immersive, full screen experience designed for those who use Steam with a TV or a game controller. It's really neat, but I understand why sometimes you might want to switch back to the regular view. Alright, now let's exit big picture mode. Once you're in, look for the menu option. It should generally appear at the top or bottom of your screen. Navigate over to it and give it a click. This will bring up another set of options. From here, select power. Now you're really close to leaving big picture mode. In the power menu, there should be an option labeled exit big picture mode. That's the one you'll want to click on. Give it a tap and you'll be taken right back to the regular Steam interface. And just like that, you're out of big picture mode. And there you have it. That's all you need to do to get in and out of big picture mode in Steam. Whether you prefer the standard interface for its simplicity or just need to make some quick adjustments, knowing how to switch back and forth can be really handy. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out in the comments if you have any more questions. Have a great day on Steam, and happy gaming.